The function a cos theta plus b sin theta. A cos theta plus b sin theta could be rewritten as the square root of a squared plus b squared brackets a over a squared plus b squared cos theta plus b over a squared plus b squared sin theta. It works because this and this would cancel out. Now if we draw a right angle triangle where this angle here is alpha, and we let this one be a and this be b, then the hypotenuse will be a squared plus b squared. So here, by writing it like this, a over a squared plus b squared is the fact that we now have cos alpha. And this one here, we would have sine alpha. So we're going to have cos alpha cos theta plus sine alpha sine theta. So if we let r be equal to a squared plus b squared, then tan alpha will be b over a, and alpha we could find by doing tan to the minus 1 of the opposite over adjacent, which is b over a. Then this will become r cos theta cos alpha plus sine theta sine alpha, which is going to be r cos theta minus alpha, r cos theta minus alpha, which is a good way of rewriting this function. Okay, in the next examples we're going to take specific examples and show you how to write them like that.